Hello, staff. Thank you for joining in today to listen about the move to Athens, Greece. As many of you know, our company, Vouliagmeni Fitness, was inspired by the beach, Vouliagmeni, along the coast of Athens. We are hoping to take the next step forward in relocating to this location. The tasks you will be performing will be very similar to the ones you are currently doing, such as working with patrons, cleaning the facility, and selling memberships. However, you will also be teaching outdoor fitness classes. We have decided to incorporate these classes because our location is full of incredible beaches and hikes that we think the patrons would really enjoy working out at. Athens is home to a third of Greece's population, and the Greek community is known for being very active. Therefore, it is the perfect location to set up a new fitness facility. When working with patrons from the area, please remember that their culture tends to be more relaxed. So make sure you are as welcoming and interactive as possible. Feel free to establish those friendships with the patrons. Just do not be confused when they start to greet you with a hug and kiss on both cheeks. Athens is also a very frequently visited tourist destination, and many people who travel all this way may be looking for a place that provides active outdoor programs, and we want to be the company to do so. However, you must remember that our clients will be from a variety of different locations. Therefore, you must remain open-minded and keep a positive attitude. Another addition to the company that will be brought on with the move will be an incorporation of surrounding hotel businesses. We want to get our flyers into the local hotels and have their concierge recommend us to clients that may be looking for a local gym or outdoor programs. This will involve meetings with some of the local businessmen and women who own or work for the hotel companies. Therefore, we want you to be prepared by knowing about the Greek business etiquette. First, know that many Greek people will want to meet face to face. The first thing they will be looking to do is establish a personal connection with you. This means you must remain as polite and personal as possible, because first impressions are of paramount importance. The second thing you must know is to never challenge someone's statements, especially if their integrity as a person or business professional may be called into question as a result of the comment. If this does happen, their impression of you may immediately go south, risking our chances of working with their company. The final thing you should know is you must remain patient. Do not try to push an agenda or steer the conversation towards business during your first meeting. Instead, wait for them to bring it up. The final point I want to touch on is what will come for you guys with relocation. The first thing we want to do is give you lessons in the Greek language. This way, you will be able to communicate with the patrons and the people within your community. In regards to the standard of living, it is very high. Therefore, we plan on compensating you accordingly. The people of Greece are known for being extremely welcoming, so we do not think you guys will have a problem fitting in. Overall, we are extremely excited for this next move. We think it will be an incredible opportunity to interact with people from all around the world and really get involved in the Greek community. Thank you for listening today. I hope you are as excited as we are to be involved in the Vouliagmeni Fitness company.